Ever wondered how doctors see inside your body without cutting it open? Let me tell you about the accidental invention that made it possible: X-rays. In 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen was experimenting with cathode rays in his lab when something unexpected happened. He noticed a strange glow coming from a screen coated with fluorescent material, even when objects were placed in front of it. Amazed, Roentgen placed his hand in front of the screen, and for the first time in history, he saw the bones inside his hand without any surgery. His discovery revolutionized medicine, making X-rays one of the most important tools for doctors today. So the next time you see an X-ray, remember? It was all thanks to a curious scientist and a little accident. Don't forget to like and follow for more amazing stories of accidental inventions.